basically I got in a bit of a stupid position. My teammate was shooting and I was trying to get to a far post. I got in complete no man's land and I was struck on the side of the head. I basically resulted in 7 or 8 fractures in various places, whether it was a sheared off eye socket in here, cheekbone, and a little bone down here. So yeah, that was kind of that. Had to have pretty major surgery where they peel your face off. Basically, I've got peripheral vision, but I've lost the central, so basically attached with back of the retina. So kind of reading with it and whatnot is not possible. But actually, I have a pretty much a good field, like pretty much normal field of vision most of the time. Sometimes you need a bit of a kick or a little reality check, and I just felt that actually this was one. Yes, it was a harsh one, but it actually taught me a lot about myself and how I am around other people. Just simple things like how important your friendships are, your family. Like family is one of the biggest things. I was in a pretty tough place at one point and all these people were rallying around me to look after me, and actually, yeah, I'll never be able to repay them enough, but also it taught me a lot on myself about how great friends you actually have and what they do for you and what lengths people are willing to go for you as well. But yeah, it taught me and gave me a slap that I maybe needed, but I wouldn't suggest going down that route for it. The way I play hockey is mainly based around bravery and getting in where it hurts. I'm not the most naturally gifted hockey player, most skillful hockey player, but I have a very niche market in goal scoring and things like that. If I came back from this and didn't kind of carry the attributes that I had, I would be the first to say that I don't think I'm then worth a place in the side. It's good because I needed to come back from the injury and have those attributes and no fear and things like that and the bravery, because if not, I wasn't being the best teammate I could be. So yeah, I think that was massive for me. To me, if you can make obviously one person's life different or make a change in anything you can, that's me kind of doing my role in what I am.